All right, viewers, we want to learn how to solve the exponential equation on the screen. Now, the first thing I want you to remember is if you have a to the power m plus n, then you can split it up to be a to the power m times a to the power n. Okay? Now, I'm going to split up this power of 3, which is x and minus 1 from this law. Then I'll have 3 to the power x, then minus. Now I have 3 to the power x times 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 18. And now you know 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 over 3. So you have 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x times 1 over 3 equal to 18. And now you see these guys are common, so you want to factor them out. So you have 3 to the power x. Then when 3 to the power x divides 3 to the power x, you have 1. When 3 to the power x divides this quantity, you'll be left with minus 1 over 3 equal to 18. And now from here, you can simplify 1 minus 1 over 3. So let's do it somewhere here. 1 minus 1 over 3 can also be written as 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3. 3 over 3 is the same as this one. So now you can take one of the denominator and subtract the exponent. So you have 2. So you have 2 over 3. Now we have 3 to the power x into 2 over 3 is equal to 18. Now we have 2 over 3 as the coefficient of 3x. If I want to eliminate 2 over 3, I need to multiply both sides by the inverse of 2 over 3, which is just 3 over 2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 over 2. So I have 3 to the power x times 2 over 3 now is equal to 18, right? So I'll multiply here by 3 over 2, and I also multiply here by 3 over 2. The idea is that so that this guy will cancel out this guy will cancel out this guy, and now you're left with 3 to the power x in the left-hand side only. Yes, so equal to 18 times 3 over 2. Of course, 2 here is 1. 2 in 18 is how many? It's just 9. Then 9 times 3 is 27. So you have 3 to the power x is equal to 27. And of course, you remember you can write 27 in base of 3 as 3 raised to the power 3. So therefore, 3 to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. And now this 3 can cancel out this 3. So you now equate the exponent. So finally, our answer is x is equal to 3. Thank you, viewers, for watching. I hope this is a clear example for you. Have a nice day and God bless you. Bye-bye.